It's so odd. I mean, it's not as if they didn't have space. It's not the biggest kitchen, but you've got a decent sized sink, a full size refrigerator, a microwave, some cabinet space, a little cooktop, and space below the cooktop. But instead of putting an oven, they chose to put a dishwasher. Look at that cabinet space. Let's say you have a few pots, a few pans. How many dishes do you have to put in here? Who puts a dishwasher when you don't have an oven? There's laundry. That's good. No complaints there. Exposed brick. There's your living room. That's your entrance. Little closet. The bathroom has a little tub, fully tiled, some mirrors, and there's the toilet. And then a decent bedroom. Nothing super spacious, but this will fit a full bed, maybe even a queen size bed. Maybe you could squeeze some sort of work desk over there, little laptop table or something. And then you've got a little outdoor space. It's nothing major, but it's some fresh air. The fire escape is right here. And we're 3 floors up.